Okay, well, I just wanted to show you where we are in construction of the Lebanon Laundry. It's looking pretty good. Here's our sign. Yep. And as we walk through, look at these LED cloud lights. He's putting in the baseboard. Look at these beautiful Hip's Touch 75-pound dryers. Washer dryer stacks. You got the Hip's command here, bill changer. This is going to be the bathroom. And this is going to be the attendance room. And then behind here, that's what I've been doing. Running water and plumbing all these washers and dryers. Now, as you see, every one of these washers is going to be ozonated, so they will be sanitized. That cold water line comes down and we put ozone in. Run out via trough, nice and clean. I'm excited. I can't wait to get open.